CAD, right? I've been bullish on New Zealand CAD since down here. We all know I've been saying that for a long time, from down here, that this thing is gonna go up, this thing is gonna go up. So I managed to just jump in. I just jumped in here because I didn't think that this thing wants to drop, so I jumped in here on this down candle, rejection after running these stops. Okay, and then the pullback inside, I just jumped in. So I'm holding, that's my personal trade for my personal long-term, you know, gain. I'm looking for higher prices on this. And why? Because of what I just explained. The more experience you get, the more you do these kind of things. So if you multiply, or if you do this, clone it and multiply it to the upside, add it to the upside, I'm looking for this high, that high, at least to get up here. Okay, nothing says it can't. So you want to look at this high, right? There is a little gap on the daily in here, so for now that's what I'm targeting. This gap here, that's what I'm targeting. So there's a lot of room to the upside. So I'm not day trading this because it doesn't make sense me day trading it. So it's a buy and hold for me to get up there. It doesn't look like it wants to pull back, so you want to just jump in. I've been looking for a pullback from here, and it's just not giving me it. This is where I wanted to see price drop to, and then I can be a buyer and hold on to it. It didn't do that. Okay, even above this high it didn't, above this high it's not. So it doesn't look like it wants to pull back, so you want to jump in and look for upside objectives.